Okay, now let us learn how to format a form. You can change the appearance of the form by using various options available on the Design and the Format tab. Using Design tab, click on Logo in the header or footer group. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select any picture and click OK. Click on Title in the header or footer group. Type Student's Query as the title for the form. Click on Date and Time in the header or footer group. The Date and Time dialog box will appear. Choose the desired format of the date and time and click OK. You will find date and time placeholders in the header section of the form. You can move these placeholders to the footer section also if you want to display date and time there. Click on Themes in the Themes group. Click on the desired theme from the drop-down menu. Using Format tab, click on the background image in the background group. The Browse button appears. Click on it. Locate and choose the picture in the Insert Picture dialog box and then click on the Open button. Select the field to which you want to apply conditional formatting, say Class. Click on the Conditional Formatting option in the Control Formatting group. Click on New Rule in the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager dialog box. Under Select a Rule Type, select Check Values in the current record or Use an expression. Under Edit the Rule Description, select the rule, apply desired formatting and click OK. Okay, let us understand what are reports. A report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing. A report can be created exactly in the same way as we have created a form. The only change is that after selecting the Create tab, click on Report in the Reports group. Access creates a report and places all fields of the selected table in the report. 4 new tabs appear on the ribbon as soon as the report is created: Design, Arrange, Format, and Page Setup. Click on the Save option on the Quick Access toolbar to save the report. The report object gets added in the navigation pane. Following are the 4 different types of views in which a report can be displayed. Report View. You can view data of the report in this view but cannot make any modification in the design. Print Preview. This view allows you to see how the report will look like when printed. Layout View. It provides a view that closely resembles what the report will actually look like to the user. In this view, you can also edit the design of the report to some extent, such as change the size of various controls. Design View. This view displays only the structure of the report, which can be modified and customized as per the requirement. This view does not display the underlying data but displays the expressions that are used to generate the content. For example, you may find date function on the header section of the report but not the actual date. Okay students, let us learn how to format a report. Like forms, you can format a report using different options present on the Design and Format tabs. Printing a report. To print a report, select the File tab and then click either on the Print option or select the Print Preview View option. This view displays how the report will appear on a page. It also allows you to choose the page orientation, page setup, etc. If needed, modify the page size, margin width, and page orientation using the related commands on the ribbon. Click on the Print option. The Print dialog box will appear. Set the desired print option and then click OK. Okay students, let me tell you how to export a report. Click on the drop-down arrow of the View button on the Home tab and select Print Preview from the drop-down list of options. The report will be opened in the Print Preview layout and the ribbon will display the commands related to the Print Preview layout. On the data group, click on the drop-down arrow of the More button and select Word. The Export RTF file dialog box will appear on the screen. Select the location where you want to save the report and give a valid name to the report. You will also find some export options. Select the options as per your requirement. Click OK. A final screen will appear on the screen notifying you about the successful completion of the exporting process. Click on the Close button. Locate the Word file where the report has been exported and open it. Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter. A query is a database object that helps you to retrieve and view information from one or more database tables that meet a specific condition or criteria that is specified by you. Microsoft Access provides various types of queries: select, parameter, crosstab, action, and SQL query. Relationships are links that associate a field in one table with the same field in another table. Access provides two ways to create a query: through the query wizard and through the query design. The criteria property contains the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered in the query output. A form is a piece of paper on which a user fills the required information in the specific fields. Report is an effective way to organize and summarize data for viewing or printing.